Hello dear students, welcome back to this YouTube channel of Heritage Public School. Today we will discuss computer application of class 9th. We were discussing operating system. In this video also we will discuss some commonly operating systems that you have seen in your computer system, in your computer labs, or if you have gone to some other places or your friends home, you have seen that which operating system is installed in their computer system. So basically today we will be discussing on commonly used operating systems. Okay, so firstly we will start from Linux. Linux is the name of a popular computer operating system. Linux is a high performance yet completely free यूनिक्स लाइक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स लाइनेक्स जो है एक फ्री है, एक ओपन सोर्स प्रोग्राम है दैट कैन बी ईजीली डाउनलोडेड बाय एनी पर्सन, isn't it? That means you don't need to pay any charge of it. This Linux software basically is not maintained by a single organization like to Windows. एज यू नो दैट विंडोज़ आपका जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है उसको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट कॉरपोरेशन जो है वो कम्प्लीटली उसको मैनेज करने का वर्क करती है. बट हियर इन Linux is developed and maintained collaboratively, which means that no single organization is fully responsible for its development and support. Various companies work together on its research and development and then share a common economic platform with each other. Linux is slowly growing as a tough competitor against Windows. Linux is very stable as compared to Windows. In Linux, every single application is independent of each other, and it is also, I told you that it's a free of cost. Okay, so mainly we can say that hardly 1% of the applications which are exclusively for business purpose cost something, otherwise the others are at free of cost. Now if we talk about Windows, I think the most common and most familiar operating system is Windows. अगर आप अपने घर के सिस्टम पे देखोगे तो आई होप आपके सिस्टम पे भी विंडोज़ ही होगा. अपने फ्रेंड्स के, अपने स्कूल में, जहाँ तक है मेरे को कॉमनली अगर हम देखा जाए, जहाँ भी आप जाते होंगे या जिसका भी सिस्टम आप देखेंगे तो मोस्टली आपको विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही मिलेगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ एन इंटरफेस बिटवीन द यूज़र एंड द कंप्यूटर and which is very genuine and which is very familiar also, and it has been developed by Microsoft and was introduced on November 20, 1985. Okay, this date is written over here, that is a little bit wrong here. Okay, so the correction is 1985. I'm telling you this wrong, 1985. Fine. Windows uses a graphical user interface, GUI based. I told you the two types of interface that uses in computer system, CUI and GUI, and Windows is the most common example of GUI. Fine. Graphical user interface, because you know that in Windows we have lots of applications, lots of pictures, posters, colors, graphics, images, sound, isn't it? So that is why it is called graphical user interface. The first version of Windows operating system was Windows 95, and since then many new and advanced versions of Windows have been developed, such as Windows 98, Windows 2000, then Windows Me, then Windows XP. Windows XP is the most popular version of Windows that was used by mostly every person. Mostly every person uses XP, Windows XP, and they all were very satisfied with this version of Windows. After that Windows Vista also came, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and now as you know the current or the latest Windows version is Windows 10. ओके, जो लेटेस्ट चल रही है वो कौन सी विंडोज़ है? विंडोज़ 10. Windows is the latest. Windows 10 is the latest version that I told you, and it was released on 29 July 2015. 29 July 2015. Fine. Windows 10. So as I told you that Windows is an application software. Windows is an software, system software, which is a very familiar to every person. So that is why more and more advanced version of this Windows is coming in the market, and the people are using them one after the other. If we talk of BOS Linux, I suppose some of you have heard this operating system BOS. The full form of BOS Linux is Bharat Operating System Solutions. The full form is Bharat Operating System Solution is a GNU Linux distribution development by CDAC Chennai in order to benefit. Fine. That means जो बॉस जो है ये एक लाइनेक्स का जो इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वो एक इंडियन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है लाइनेक्स, तो उन्हीं का ही एक तरह से आप कह सकते हैं उसी का जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ले रहे हैं ये लोग, उन्हीं का ही है. ठीक है. तो बॉस जो है इनका जो जितना भी जैसे कि ओपन सोर्स है हमारा लाइनेक्स भी सेम एज वेल, ये भी क्या है एक ओपन सोर्स है, एंड इट हैज़ इन्हेंस्ड डेस्कटॉप एनवायरनमेंट integration, Indian language support and other packages, and that are very relevant to use the Indian government domains. Fine. यानी जैसे फायरफॉक्स है, थंडरबर्ड है, इस तरह में जो इंटरनेट एक्सेस के लिए जितनी भी जो ऑफिस एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर्स होते हैं उन सबको सूट करता है काफ़ी हद तक ये बॉस लाइनेक्स. उसमें जो है जितना भी जो है लैंग्वेज का या जितना भी जो है डेटा सोर्सेज का या जितना भी जो है वर्क किया जाता है वो सारा के सारा जो है मल्टीमीडिया एप्लीकेशंस का, तो ये सारा जो वर्क है वो बॉस में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से किया जाता है एंड बहुत बेनिफिट भी हो रहा है इससे. सो दैट इज़ वाई, because it's providing outstanding features like bulk document converter, presentation tools, and its features like plug and play. So BOS is a customized for easy of use in educational domain, schools and colleges के लिए, and also variants are available in suit enterprises users like server edition that I told you, like Firefox, Thunderbird, etc. So it has so many of tools like which we can take the advantage, एंड मोस्टली जो है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट डोमेन्स में इसका यूज़ मोस्ट पॉपुलरली किया जाता है फॉर टू इंटीग्रेटेड इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस. ओके. नाउ if we talk on Solaris, the Solaris operating system usually known simply as Solaris, and it is also a free Unix based operating system. जैसे कि अभी हमने बॉस की बात करी थी तो वो क्या था, लाइनेक्स बेस्ड था, और जो सोलारिस है ये यूनिक्स बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, एंड दैट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सन माइक्रो सिस्टम इन 1992, एंड इट वाज द सक्सेसर टू सन ओएस. यानी सबसे पहले इसका जो वर्जन था सन ओएस था, उसी का नेक्स्ट वर्जन जो है ये आया है सोलारिस. सोलारिस इज नोन for its scalability, especially for SPARC system, and for originating many innovative features such as the dtrace, ZFS and time slider. So mostly जो है इसका जो Solaris है इस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का जो यूज़ है वो मोस्टली जो है आपका जितना भी जो इनोवेशन वर्क है या रिसर्च वर्क है इस तरीके से जो है टाइम स्लाइडिंग के लिए इस तरीके के लिए Solaris का यूज़ किया जाता है. That's it for today. In the next video we will discussing mobile operating system. As I told you, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Solaris also. Okay, that I told you that it is from Unix OS family. And one thing more, that Unix जो मैंने बताया सोलारिस जो है उसका वो भी इसका ही एक पोर्शन है, कह सकते हैं एक पार्ट है, उसी फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है. यूनिक्स जो है, यूनिक्स भी एक बहुत पावरफुल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, एंड उसका जो डेवलपमेंट है वो 1969 में बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ AT&T एम्प्लॉयज़ एट बेल लैब्स वहाँ पर इसका किया गया था. And high level of security and regulated access to data are the main features of this operating system. Most of the high level organizations uses this operating system, and it is stable, multi-user, multitasking operating system. And this operating system also has a graphical user interface GUI, and similar Microsoft Windows, it also offers an easy to use environment. That much is enough in this video. We will discuss mobile operating systems in my next video.